If you have opened your notes today, stared at a page, and felt like your brain is completely blank, like you have forgotten all 19 subjects you worked so hard for, take a deep breath. You're not losing your memory, you're experiencing the classic pre exam cognitive overload. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to explain you why this happens and give you a strict 5 step protocol for the next 10 days for NEET PG. First, understand the science of what's happening right now. Your brain works on two mechanisms: active recall and prompted recall. But NEET PG does not ask you to write an essay on a blank sheet of paper. It is a 4 option recognition exam. The moment you sit in the front of that screen on August 30 and read the clinical stem, those options will trigger your subconscious memory. Everything you studied over the last 6 to 12 months is logged in your hard drive. Trust the preparation. To make sure that memory fires accurately on the exam day, here is what you must do starting from today. Number one, close the main source notes permanently. If you try to flip through 800 pages of medicine or surgery now, you will only invite panic. Shift 100% of your time to high yield volatile content like your 20th notebook or BTRs or staging tables or pharma documents, PDFs, whatever it is. Number two, stop testing, start solidifying. Do not write a full 200 question grand test right now. If a bad score will shatter the confidence. Shift to solving 40 to 50 custom PYQ modules daily just to keep your elimination reflexes sharp. Number three, the 30-minute morning priming. Every morning, before touching any new volatile topic, spend 30 minutes quickly skimming image-based questions and high-yield radiology, histology, or pathology questions. It builds immediate momentum without burning your cognitive stamina. Number four, master the sectional reset. Remember, the paper is 5 time-logged sections of 36 questions in 42 minutes. Most candidates ruin their entire paper because section 1 shakes their confidence. Treat each section as a brand new, isolated mini exam. Once a section locks, forget it existed. A tough 36 question batch does not define your final rank. And the last one is the first gut instinct rule. Under prompted recognition, your subconscious instinct within the first 15 seconds is almost always right. Rule of thumb, never change an answer at the last second unless you find an explicit, concrete reason like missing the word except or incorrect. The rank list on August 30 is not decided by who reads the most in the last 10 days. It is decided by who manages their composure and keeps a clear head under pressure. I know the sleepless nights, the self-doubt, and the sacrifices you have put in. You can do this. I know, I believe you can do it. You are almost at the finish line and you will cross it for sure. I have zero doubt in that. We will meet right here on this channel after the exam when you need guidance for your PG branch selection and college counseling. You are going to get there very soon. I want you to do one thing right now. Drop a comment below with the single biggest fear or hurdle you are facing today. Let it out of your system, read what others are feeling, and realize you are not fighting this alone. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll be dropping your step-by-step exam hall attempt strategy and final week survival checklist in the next few days. Stay calm, stick to your volatile revisions, and trust the work you have put in. You have got this.